Giving back to the community is everyone's responsibility. There are many people out there that don't have the same opportunities as others, and when you can provide someone with a little extra advantage to make their life more meaningful, it makes you a stronger person. I'm involved in the hospital with the Harvest Moon Ball Committee, as well in the Philanthropy Council. I'm very involved in an exciting organization called It's in Your Genes, which is a men's health awareness program. I also work very closely with the Rockwood Area Lions Club. We raise a lot of money for underprivileged children, providing reading classes for kids in school, elementary level. I've been to Haiti in 2010 after the earthquake. I went and spent 10 days in the jungle, living on a lanai in a mosquito net. We actually performed 100 operations in just over 9 days and delivered 3 babies, which is kind of exciting. Never done that before.
The 3 words I would describe Dan: very open-hearted, very genuine, and very dedicated to what he does.
Probably the most passionate thing I have in my life right now would be my job and my family. Nothing more exciting than watching a patient come in here in a wheelchair and walking out on a pair of new legs. It's probably one of the most gratifying things that you can experience.
I've known Dan since I was a resident, and that was back in the 90s. So it's a long time. We were required as residents to do a prosthetic and orthotic clinic, and he was doing that kind of work, and that's where I got to know him, and through the years have started to develop a relationship in terms of professional, and got to know him as a friend as well.
First involvement with Wyandotte was on a personal level. I had a very severe car accident in 1989, and I spent 28 days in a coma and 6 months in the hospital. And I went to Wyandotte for my outpatient rehab. In 2007, I got active again with the hospital and cheered the first Harvest Moon Ball in 2008. I've known many of the people that have received this award already, and I'm humbled to be put in the same presence as them, as well as others that receive it beyond me.
Many years ago, we had a double amputee patient from a trauma accident. He was very committed to still pushing forward to trying to get the resources needed for this patient, regardless of the reimbursement. And that really stuck out because it shows a drive and a compassion more for the patient, less for the monetary benefit.
With Med Supply, we provide a lot of array of medical equipment, from a wheelchair to a walker, hospital beds. The most exciting thing for me, I'd probably have to say, would be the prosthetic patients, because when you lose part of your body, it's got to be pretty scary. And we can help those people walk out of the office with a new leg or a new arm. I feel privileged to have that opportunity to help other people. We all should strive to improve ourselves on a daily basis. And by helping others is one of the best ways you can improve yourself. We'll try and encourage other people to do what you can to help other people. Make your life meaningful and make theirs too. The good byproduct is they're going to do better too.